Max, Dad is still outside.
Dad, the train is leaving.
Dad, come back. Whoa! Look at that train. It's huge.
Come on, we don't want to miss it.
Dad, can we see the engine?
After the ride.
You like trains more than people.
That's not true.
Maybe.
Hey, I wanted the window.
You can sit here.
Thank you. We're moving. This is awesome.
Look at the view.
Wow.
5-minute stop.
5-minute stop. I'll get some water.
Don't be long.
2 minutes.
He bought cookies. Those better be for us.
Dad should come back. Why is he stopping? Why is he stopping? Max! Dad is still outside!
Dad! Dad!
The train is leaving! Dad, come back!
What do we do now? Dad knows where we're going. But he doesn't have a train. Next stop.
Maybe Dad is there.
How could he get there before us?
Wait for me! Or maybe he found a speedboat.
Maybe Dad is flying after us. Or maybe he found a speedboat. That would be crazy.
Do you see him? No. He's not here.
Looking for someone?
Dad! How did you get here?
The station manager drove me.